Welcome to Pair Basis Trading, where we go over stocks that are of the highest quality, just like a pair of aces. I'd like to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So please take my words with caution, as this is all my opinion.
All right. Hello. Today is January 23, 2023. And we're going to go do an update on FDS, which is a stock that I would have went into a few days ago, back on January 18. And that was right over around this date right here, and this price, excuse me, it was right around here when we got in, because if you recall, the weekly MACD histogram started going up, and I said it was a good time to get in, so I would have gotten in around there. So that would have been at the price of about $425 back on January 18. And now I want to show you how I go about in determining whether to stay in the stock or not stay in stock. What I like to use is the on balance volume. This one right here, I like to use that to help me decide whether to stay in the stock or whether to get out of the stock. What I do is I use the peaks and valleys of the on balance volume to be confirmation, to confirm whether the price should keep going up or whether it might not keep going up. So if you recall from the other video, I look at this peak here, the peak of this price right over here, that peak to coincide with this peak here, and then this peak is higher than this peak. So what that means, it's this on balance volume is confirming that the price will keep going up, and it did keep going up, as you see there. So far with this stock, it started going up, right? We got in right over here because that started going up. The weekly MACD histogram started going up, and then now the stock's going up. And then I'm going to keep an eye on this on balance volume to make sure that the peaks is also coinciding with the peaks of the stock. And so far, there's no peak yet. It's not, when it starts going down, this section here, when the on balance volume goes up and then starts going down, that's going to be determining a peak. So I want to make sure that when that happens, the stock, it's also confirming with the stock, like what I showed you over here. Well, like what I showed you in this section here, where how this one coincides with that over there. So right now, there's nothing telling me to get out of the stock yet, because the on balance volume here is not really telling me that there's no confirmation or there is confirmation. So as of now, I will stay in FDS. I would stay in FDS if I were in it. And that is the latest update. I will keep an eye on this and watch it again and take a look at if on balance volume is going to confirm or not confirm whether to stay in the stock. And you have a good day.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this type of content, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below on what stock you'd like me to rate next, and I'll tell you if I think it's the next pair of aces.